Sustainable manufacturing is undergoing significant changes, and new technologies can help to increase the scale of operations. Well, to delve more into this, I'm joined by Ray Rusk from Fujitsu. Ray, thanks so much for joining us. Let's start off with the first question. What are the key challenges, do you think, for manufacturing?
So to start off, I think one of the things is making sure that all the stakeholders in an organization are happy. People like to do business with companies that have similar values as them. So investors want to invest in companies that want to make profitability sustainable and sustainability profitable. Consumers want to buy products from companies they believe are going to make a better world, and employees want to work for companies that they're proud to work for. At the end, the company's trying to make, that's not the bottom line that's so important, it's the green line. How do we actually report on our green line? Second is regulatory. Good example, this is Germany supply chain law that's going to roll out in less than a year, January 1. Any company doing business in Germany that has 3,000 employees or above will have to report. And a year later, it'll be 1,000 employees above. And there's similar regulation already rolling out through the EU. And that'll be a similar trend throughout the globe. The next thing is IT/OT integration. The intelligent enterprise for a company. Part of the challenge, a lot of companies have not integrated their IT/OT or their ERP systems to their shop floors. And that's really at the heart of what Fujitsu has helped, working with SAP, has been able to do, is really do shop floor IT integration and help them monitor all their business processes, dig in deeper in that, and help them create an actionable plan to execute on their CSR programs.
So how have companies, do you think, approached sustainability, and how have these changed in the last year?
So, companies have had CSR programs in place for decades, and the industry standard organization rolled out ISO 26000 to help companies understand how to implement CSR programs. But it was really more guidance and considered more qualitative versus quantitative. What's really changed and emerged the last few years is really the growth of ESG solutions, or the technology that helps companies actually implement a CSR type program. ESG being environmental sustainability and governance programs. They're putting these in place so they can actually get real-time information, collect the data from all the different systems in the organization, assess that data, understand where the opportunities exist, and actually create a roadmap and a way to track their KPIs on creating that true green line within the organization.
Okay, very finally, how can SAP and Fujitsu technology itself help to further digitalize processes to meet the needs of governance and compliance and transparency?
So SAP is more than just an ERP application. What they call their intelligent enterprise or extended enterprise. SAP is focused on helping a company really get true visibility and transparency into all of its processes. And Fujitsu's been right there with them, really helping them define their roadmap and help companies define the roadmap from shop floor to top floor, and integrating all the different applications they have in their enterprise, and pulling that all together, and then working with them also to create that maturity level on what it takes to get from to truly become a sustainable organization and making the world a better place.
Thank you so much for joining us.